Hello everyone, today we prepare an amazing super crispy chicken burgers with Japanese mayonnaise and KFC-style chicken. Arditoskitchen. Boneless and whole chicken thighs, buttermilk, egg yolks, Dijon mustard, salt, sunflower oil, white sugar, vinegar and lime juice, flour, cornstarch, dried oregano, thyme, mustard powder, garlic powder, dried parsley, sweet paprika, black pepper, cumin, ground coriander and salt to taste, lettuce leaves, tomatoes and avocados. We will start by salting our chicken pieces very well from the night before and leave them in the fridge for overnight. We will start making the mayonnaise, so place the egg yolks, salt and Dijon mustard in a bowl and start beating at low speed to integrate everything. Now, very carefully, begin to incorporate the oil very little by little in the form of a thread and always beating. Once all the oil has been incorporated, add the rice vinegar, lime juice and sugar to the mayonnaise while continuing to beat. Increase the mixing speed and make sure that the oil you're adding is quickly incorporated into the rest of the mixture. Try and reserve it for later. Now, in another much larger bowl, add all the buttermilk and cover all the chicken pieces with it. Leave it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Prepare the seasoning, so add all the species to a mortar and mash them all until the desired texture is achieved. Mix with the flour and cornstarch in a large bowl where the chicken will be covered. To make this burger more tasty, we will also prepare a delicious guacamole. So add avocado into the mortar, add salt and oil to taste, and reserve. After 3 hours, remove the chicken pieces from the buttermilk without removing all the mixture, and pass through the flour with spices that you have previously prepared. Make sure they are well covered on all sides. Heat plenty of oil and fry both the whole chicken pieces and the boneless thighs. These will be the ones we will use to assemble our burgers. Now it's time to put them together. Open the bread and spread the base with plenty of Japanese mayonnaise. Put lettuce and tomato, the meat, Monterey cheese, and a good spoonful of guacamole on the top bread. Ready! You can enjoy it now. The meat will be super crispy and juicy. Leave us a comment on what variations you would make to this recipe. If you make it, we would love you to tag us on Instagram so we can repost your photo. You can find the complete recipe in our website arditoskitchen.com. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to make recipes. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you next week. Bye!